Hello everyone, I'm so happy to have you here. Let's get started with the fun project. Cover the mirror with a piece of paper so that it's easier to work with. You can also take out the mirror first just to work on the frame. I have this mirror from Dollar Tree for quite some time. Today, I'll share with you this idea to decorate this mirror with pipe cleaner flowers to create a gorgeous decor for any season. It's a sweet gift for Mother's Day as well. Let's get the mirror ready with green pipe cleaners to cover the frame as the base. Once the frame is completed, we'll need to prepare some flowers and greeneries to decorate. Now let's prepare some flowers for our decor. Fold the two pipe cleaners in half. Cut one in half. Fold again in half. Another one goes through the middle. Twist twice to fix. Pull both sides down. Neatly arrange. Twist at 3 inches, about 7.5 centimeters long. Slightly curve the petal. Apply watercolor. Make 6. Fold two greens in half. Take one and insert it through the middle of the other. Twist twice. Pull two sides down. Pinch the tip of the leaf. Make 2 leaves at 3 inches, about 8 centimeters long. Prepare 10 stamens. Take a short pipe cleaner and wrap it upward to fix the stamens. Glue the base of the petals. Then we make a tulip. We'll need 12 for the petals. Fold to pipe cleaners in half. Insert one through the middle of another. Twist twice. Pull down to sides. 1.6 inches, about 4 centimeters long each, for 3 larger petals. Twist twice the middle two. Twist twice the right side two. Pull down one. Twist twice another side two and pull down. Twist twice the top two. Turn around and insert from the first right. And insert from the first left. Twist twice the top two. Turn around and pull down. Twist the right two. Twist the left two. Twist together. Cut off the excess. Make 3 smaller ones. .4 inches, about 3.5 centimeters long each, for 3 shorter petals. Speeding up a little bit since it's the same method making the larger ones. Make leaves. Same method as the lily flower leaf. .1 inches, about 8 centimeters long each. Make 2 leaves. Now, let's assemble the petals. Glue the 3 smaller petals first. Glue the second layer with larger petals. Glue at the gaps of first layer petals. Let's make some mushrooms. 4 pipe cleaners for smaller mushroom and 5 for larger ones. Fold up at 2.8 inches, about 2 centimeters. Turn to rounds. Hook and press to connect another pipe cleaner. Cut off the longer pipe cleaner. Insert through the loose loops. Pull tight and gather the circles together. Twist twice. Cut off the excess. Hide the end inside. Pull tight. Twist twice. Cut off the excess. Hide the end inside. Another way to make simple mushroom. Round it like a cap. Let's twist the daisy flowers. Hook and press to connect two pipe cleaners together. Circle 8 times. Feel free to circle 9 times if your lighter is thinner. Added another pipe cleaner.
Make 2 or 3 with different colors. Make few more leaves.
Make few more as our greeneries. Now, let's decorate our mirror. Please like, subscribe. Thank you. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.